Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy, and today's quick tip is in Adobe After Effects CC 2024. In this tutorial, I'm going to introduce you to the CC Ball Action Effect. I am using After Effects version 24.3.0. I'll walk you through the exact steps that I use to create this effect, but first, let's look at the basics of the CC Ball Action Effect. I created a new solid layer by just right-clicking, New, Solid. To add the CC Ball Action Effect, just go to the Effects and Presets panel, click in the search field, start typing out ball. It's under the simulation category. I'll just drag it right onto the solid layer, and we'll go to the Effect Controls panel to customize it. It's going to create this pixel grid over the entire layer. And if you look in the Effect Controls, you'll see the first property is Grid Spacing. Now the next property, Ball Size, is where the effect gets its name. When I lower the ball size, you'll see the pixels in the grid start turning into circles or balls. I'll change the grid spacing to 25. I'll change the ball size to 25. And now you see I've got this nice grid pattern, which might make a great background, especially if you combine it with all the different properties and animate the properties. And if you add the CC Ball Action Effect, but it's being contained inside of the bounding box, the fix. So for this logo, first I'll pre-compose it by right-clicking, PreCompose. I'll move all attributes into the new composition and click OK. Now on the pre-comp, I'll add the CC Ball Action Effect. And now when I change the scatter, for example, you'll see it fills up the entire composition. So for this animation, the first thing I did was create a new composition, 1920 by 1080 pixels, 24 frames per second, 10 seconds in duration. I then created comp number 2 with the identical settings as comp number 1. In comp number 2, I added a background texture, and then I just added a text layer. I went to the project panel, selected comp number 2, and dragged it into comp number 1. I selected comp number 2, went to the Effects and Presets panel and searched for ball action, dragged the CC ball action on top of comp number 2, and went to the Effect Controls panel to customize. Grid spacing, I'm going to change that to 0. Ball size, I'll change that to 110. Coloring, one of the new properties in 2024, I'm going to change that to crisp. Shading, another new property, I'll change that to 0. For scatter, I'm going to bring that up to 116. That's kind of fun. Scatter motion, I'll leave alone. Displace, another new property in CC 2024. I'm going to bring that up to 46. And for displace property, I'm going to keep it on brightness. I'm going to animate the scatter in the displace properties. So I'm going to drag the CTI or the playhead to the beginning of the timeline and click on the stopwatch next to scatter and displace. That is going to add a keyframe. I'll bring the CTI forward in time, and I'm going to change the scatter from 116 down to 0, and this is what we have so far. At 2 seconds, I'll change displace to -40. At 3 seconds, I'll change displace to 135. At 4 seconds and 12 frames, I'll change it to -195. In 5 seconds, I'll change displace to -40. I'll drag the CTI back to the beginning, and as I drag through slowly, you can see what's happening. So the scatter effect, this is just a bunch of little balls revealing the text. In the displace property, which is new in February 2024, this gives it a very 3D effect. So now it looks like the text is in front of the texture layer below it. Now I've animated it so the text is behind it. And a really cool visual to explain this, I added a 3D camera, and now when I drag the CTI, here's the text in front, and now you'll see it goes behind it. And to edit the text, or maybe add some graphics or logos, all you have to do is just double click to open Comp 2, make any changes you want to Comp 2, you can add different graphics, you can add effects. I added the hand-drawn effect and the texturizer effect. Now when you go back into Comp 2, it's going to automatically update. And that is the new CC Ball effect in CC 2024. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.